Google just released Flow AI Creative Studio, and it's changing how creators build videos and custom tools for free. Here's everything you need to know. Google Flow is a free AI creative suite designed for creators, freelancers, and small businesses. It combines video generation, image editing, and custom tool creation in one platform. Unlike competitors, Flow integrates seamlessly with Google's ecosystem. You can generate professional quality videos in minutes, edit images with eye precision, and build custom AI tools without coding experience. Log in with your Google account, no credit card needed. Use the video generator by describing your concept in detail. Flow creates full videos with voiceover and effects automatically. For images, upload a base image or start from scratch. Let's upload a base image, use text prompts like Sunset Beach commercial style, and let AI handle the rest. Download in 4K directly to your device. Flow's custom tool builder is revolutionary. Select from pre-built templates or start blank. Connect inputs to AI modules using a simple drag-and-drop interface. Example, create a social media caption generator by linking text input and OTIA writing module output. Share tools with clients or teammates via link. Perfect for automating freelance workflows, creators use Flow for YouTube thumbnail shorts. Creators use Flow for YouTube thumbnail shorts and promotional videos in minutes. Freelancers automate client deliverables, email templates, product descriptions. Social posts, small businesses generate product videos for clients. Workflow, describe your need, let it execute. Start free today. Hit subscribe for more AI tool reviews that save you time and money. Drop a comment which feature excites you most.